In today's Good Question, the last thing anyone wants to do on an icy cold morning before going to work is scrape piles of snow and ice off of your car. But is it required by law? I reached out to the state DMV for answers. You don't have to look far to find cars that look like igloos during winter in Rochester. Paul asks, is there a law on the books for clearing the snow off your vehicle when driving? No, there is no law in New York State that specifically says you have to clear the snow and ice off your car before you drive it. However, driving with snow on your car blocking your view is very dangerous and could be considered reckless. New York State Vehicle and Traffic Law Section 1212 says you could be charged with reckless driving if you drive in a manner that unreasonably interferes with the free and proper use of the public highway, or drive in a manner that unreasonably endangers users of the public highway. So if ice flies off the top of your car, endangering other drivers, that could result in a charge. A spokesperson from the state DMV says driving a vehicle that is covered in snow and ice can be dangerous, and the DMV strongly encourages all drivers to clear their vehicles to protect themselves and others. This is true for all roads and parking lots, too. So you'll want to make sure all of your car's windows are clear of snow and ice before you hit the gas. If they're not clear, you could get pulled over and ticketed. Again, not specifically for snow, but for having an obstructed view. If you get charged with reckless driving, that is a misdemeanor that could result in a fine, points on your license, and possibly even jail time. If you have a good question you'd like answered, send us an email at goodquestion@whec.com.